In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide destinations from WP Travel Engine in 2025 with a simple step-by-step approach. Whether you're looking to temporarily or permanently conceal a destination on your travel website, this guide will walk you through the process effectively and efficiently. To start, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central command center where all the magic happens, providing access to customize your website configurations effortlessly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention towards the navigation panel on the left side of the dashboard. You'll want to navigate to the Trips section and then click on Destinations. This will take you to a page listing all the destinations you currently have configured within WP Travel Engine, allowing you to manage each one individually. Next, find the destination you wish to hide from public view. You might want to do this for various reasons, such as seasonal unavailability or exclusivity. Click on Edit next to the destination you've chosen. Doing so will open up a new window, enabling you to alter various attributes of the destination. This is where you can adjust its visibility settings, which is essential to hiding it from public listings. Now move your gaze to the right-hand side where the Publish section is located. Here, you will see an option marked Visibility. It's important to click on Edit located next to this option. Changing the visibility setting is the pivotal step in concealing your destination. Once you've clicked Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Private if you desire the destination to be visible only to admin users. This essentially makes the destination hidden from regular users visiting your site, while allowing admins to maintain oversight and make any necessary edits. As you select the private setting, you'll see an OK button pop up. Click on this to confirm your selection, then proceed to click Update to ensure your changes are saved. Saving these adjustments is crucial. Without this action, the configurations will not take effect, and the destination will remain publicly visible. At this point, the destination is successfully hidden from all public trip listings. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the control over your site's content, but also ensured a more customized user experience. Remember, if at any point you want to make the destination visible again, you simply reverse these steps by selecting Public under Visibility and updating your changes. This adaptability allows you to manage your site's content dynamically as you continue to meet your audience's needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide a destination on WP Travel Engine. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials covering all things WordPress